Have you ever followed a makeup tutorial, but it doesn't turn out the way you want it to? Today, I'll guide you through some tried and true methods as well as common mistakes with 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 influencer 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀734. With just a few tweaks, you will truly elevate your makeup game to the next level. In this video, we'll cover 2 makeup looks. The no makeup look for daily makeup and girlies who go to strict schools, and the more extensive look for those wanting to enhance their makeup even further. Number 1. The eye width up like this look. This natural makeup look is designed to enhance your beauty while staying flawless throughout the day, even after a workout. Step 1. Skincare. Apply your favorite moisturizer followed by sunscreen. This will ensure your makeup will last for a long time and provides a smooth base for the rest of your makeup. Step 2. Foundation. Apply your foundation using your fingers or a flat brush on your inner face. Then blend outward with a beauty blender. Make sure to choose a shade that matches your skin tone and set any oily up areas with powder. For a long-lasting natural finish, 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 uses the YSL All Hours Foundation, which is great for full coverage and infused with hyaluronic acid. For a more affordable alternative, try the L'Oréal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Step 3. Eyebrows. Start with an eyebrow powder for a base. Then use quick, light strokes with an eyebrow pencil before brushing them out with a spoolie and setting them with a brow gel. Step 4. Contour. Apply contour to your nose bridge, tip, cheekbones, and the end of your eye using a cool, toned contour. Make sure to keep it light. Step 5. Eyeshadow and eyeliner. Use a small fluffy brush to apply a light brown eyeshadow to the outer lid. Then add just a small wing with brown eyeliner for a subtle eye-opening effect. Your lashes will be very simple. Just curl them and apply a little bit of mascara. And voila! How does it look? Number 2. The clean girl makeup look. This easy to follow makeup look will help you look great in any scenario. It is perfect for when you want to look effortlessly stunning. Step 1. Skin prep, foundation, and brows. Just follow the first 3 steps from the other look. Step 2. Concealer. After completing the first step, apply concealer to your under eyes and around your nose to cover dark circles and/or rosacea. To conceal any other blemishes, use a more full coverage concealer, like the NARS Pot Concealer. Step 3. Contour and highlight. Use a cool toned cream contour stick for your nose, nose bridge, and outer eyes. Then go in with concealer on the tip of your nose and bridge. Blend with an angled brush, being careful not to overblend, otherwise you will lose the depth of your contour. Set with a pressed powder like the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish. Then apply a darker contour to your cheekbones and jawline in a swiping motion. Apply a matte highlighting powder. This will help even out your base and literally brightens your whole face. Use an even brighter highlighter in the inner corner of your eyes, the tip of your nose, and on your chin. Step 5. Eyeshadow and eyeliner. Apply a rosy eyeshadow to the outer lid and under the eyes. Then, to create an eggeel style, use a light brown shadow and brightening highlighter on your natural shape. Step 6. Blush and highlighter for the last time. Dab your blush across your cheek instead of dragging it. Then, apply highlighter on your brow bone and cheekbones. Step 7. Lashes. Curl your natural lashes, then apply mascara. Then use a brown eyeliner. For a sharper look, top off your wing with black eyeshadow. Apply cluster lashes under your natural lashes, letting the glue sit for about 15 seconds before applying so that they're sticky enough. Step 8. Lips. Line your lips with a natural shade of lip liner, applying only to the middle of your lip. Do the same with your lipstick. And that's it. How did your makeup turn out today? Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more makeup and lifestyle content. Bye!